Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show coming to you from Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas, the land of Elvis Presley impersonators and so much more. Don't be cruel. Remember to give me a big thumbs up on this video if you find it helpful or entertaining. And if you would be so kind to subscribe to the channel, I would say thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, that's the last Elvis joke, I think, for the video. I can't promise anything. So when you walk into the Palazzo, first thing you're going to notice is that the room is just big. If I could describe the Palazzo rooms, they are just big. When we checked in, we had a king suite booked using our Fine Hotels and Resorts credit through our American Express Platinum card. My wife booked one night and I booked another, so we could each utilize our $200 credit each night. The room rate was $202, so after the $200 credit each night, we only ended up paying $2.50 for the room rate, and then about $50 on top of that each night for resort fees. You have to pay resort fees in Vegas or the whole thing shuts down, from what I understand. So there we are, being a little nosy with the soaps, walking around. You do get a separate tub and shower, which I am very appreciative of. And let's be a little bit more nosy. Let's go to the sink here. That looks like a fancy box of soap. What brand is this? It is Soap brand. Okay, Soap brand soap. Very minimalist. I like it. Keeping it simple. There is a TV in the bathroom as well, because who doesn't want to watch TV while you're taking a shower or you're, getting your hair ready or whatever people do there at the sink? I don't know. You do have the separate toilet area. And there's a phone on the wall as well. If memory serves me correct, Elvis actually died on the toilet. So maybe if he had stayed at the Palazzo, he would have been able to call somebody on the phone from the bathroom to get help. I don't know. Rest in peace, Elvis Presley. I'm sorry. There is a separate area for makeup and hair. That's my assumption. I'm not very familiar with this area, but my wife absolutely loved having her own specific area. She doesn't like sharing any sink space with me, and I totally understand that. There is an amenities box. I did not use the amenities box, but you can see there's a couple extra tools there to help you get ready. A full-length mirror. Hello, everyone. Thanks for the bunny ears. Greatly appreciated. And as we turn into the main part of the room, you can really get a feel for how big this is. The king suites at the Palazzo are about 720 square feet, which is about twice as large as many of the rooms that you're going to find on the Strip. And here we go. My wife's going to see how comfortable the bed is. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, apparently it's really, really comfortable. Yeah, you got to fix the sheets. You got to make sure everything is crisp and clean, and it looks like it is. Okay. Overall, just standing in the room, I'm 6'2". I take up a lot of room. It felt great to have so much space in this room. You do have a closet over here. The closet's not anything to write home about by any means. You do get a robe with Palazzo on it, so that's something. And then you got some places here to hang up your clothes or your jackets, what have you, and your little luggage rack. Turning around to the other side, we're going to whip the camera back around. You'll see a large flat screen TV on the wall. And then on the counter here, I do want to point this out. When you do check in, you will get an envelope when you're booking through American Express using Fine Hotels and Resorts. They will give you a letter explaining exactly how to utilize the other credits that are available to you. Along with the $200 credit we got each night when booking the room, we also received $65 per day for breakfast, and we also got $100 per day to go towards an experience at the resort. Now, there are different experiences that you can book here, and here's a list of the different places where you can use the $100 credit. Now, if you use the $100 credit at Starbucks, then you are going to be wired up, and you probably stayed up all night. I don't know, playing at the casino, making some money, I'm not sure. But let me do a little magic. We're in Vegas. Let me do a little magic on these drapes here. This is really cool. This will show you the exact view that we had of the Strip. The goofiness that you see in this video is a direct result of traveling to Las Vegas on a Sunday when we set the clocks back for daylight savings time, and also losing some time going from East Coast to West Coast. So we're a little loopy here, having a lot of fun, but hey, if you're going to have fun, why not be in Vegas, right? There is a step down here. You better be careful or you will kill yourself going down this step. Trust me, I almost did it 2 or 3 times, but it's totally worth it to have this extra space, and we'll get to that view in just a minute. It took us about 5 minutes to find the refrigerator. I don't know why. These look like drawers that you put clothes in, but when you pull them open, you can see you have your refrigerator here. And be warned, all right? When you open this refrigerator, you're going to see some delicious beverages of all sorts for adults and kids. However, if you so much as even lift one of these up out of the shelves, you will be charged. So don't touch anything. Do not do it. They cost money. All right, and they don't leave you a lot of room to bring your own drinks, which is not cool, but hey, it's Vegas, what are you going to do? And the same thing applies to this. Do not even lift up on the Fiji water or the raisins or chocolates, whatever there are. Don't touch them. It's not a good idea. You will be charged for them, even if you lift it up and put it back in, which is kind of crazy. As you look outside, you will see Treasure Island right across the strip. You can see we're staying right on the strip. Over there you can see the Trump Resort as well. That's a little bit off the strip, but still very noticeable there in the background. And as we pan around, again, you'll see Treasure Island, and then you'll also see the Mirage. That's where we saw Shin Lim, the magician. He's absolutely amazing, was on America's Got Talent. Very amazing show, and it was right across from the Palazzo. One thing that a lot of people probably want to know about is the in-room dining, and there are a lot of different choices as far as food goes. This isn't just soda and pizza or something like that. You can see here, you can get full-on meals delivered to your room. If you've never been to Vegas before, literally the world is your oyster, and you can choose just about anything as far as that goes. We didn't actually end up using this. We ended up using our $100 experience credits to go towards restaurants that were available for us to use the credit on every evening. And by the time you use a $100 credit at the restaurant along with what we spent, we had plenty of food in our belly to move about the rest of the day. That along with the $65 worth of breakfast every day right downstairs in the Grand Lux Cafe, which was absolutely amazing. So trust me, you're not going to have a shortage of food by any means. Again, if I had one word to describe the room at the Palazzo, the King Suite, it is large. The view outside is amazing, but I kind of wonder what it would look like at night. Let's see if we can flip a switch here, pull some magic, and here we go. That's as good as the special effects are going to get, by the way. And the view of the strip is amazing from the room. I'm really glad we got upgraded to a strip view room. However, I will say we were out most evenings, so we really didn't get to take advantage of seeing this most of the time. We were out seeing shows and doing other things, and by the time we got back, we were just exhausted and passed out and went to bed. But I hope this gives you a good idea of what the rooms at the Palazzo are like. Don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy it. And we'll see you on the next room tour video. I'll see you soon.